I'm going to show you the next version of Whisper after my MVP. This is a team communication app with AI-powered insights. Whisper is designed for professional teams who need to stay organized and productive. I'll demonstrate how our AI assistant, which I named Casper, transformed chaotic team conversations into actionable insights and streamlined workflows. Let's start by, so I created a few test accounts and I named them just as their role. Um, this is the the software engineer account, and this is the project manager account. One thing that this is the Casper agent. This is the contacts list. This is a search that was for my MVP, but now users can add and remove contacts. Just to show this working, so they could add it through here, and it'll appear in the project managers. This is how they create groups. They could from their contacts list or enter an email, and it'll appear here, and then the group chat will be created. Just for testing purposes, I'll show this. As you can see, they get it, and the group chats display all the user icons. In the group chats, let me just go to the one I created sample conversations to display some of these features. So I'll open up to the main one. Users can change their roles. So for this one would be the software engineer, and then it will be reflected. See, software engineer. Same with this, project manager. So I guess we could start with and just to showcase this, the user can expand the read receipts to see whoever's seen it. So I'll start with the Ask tab. This acts as an agent that can help you. It could translate messages and send messages as well. It could give a breakdown of the conversation. To do the same thing, the user can go to the summary tab and generate a summary. I'll be working on making it faster, but here is the summary. You can also copy it. Scrolling up, it's a little sensitive on this emulator, but scrolling up will reload it. You can copy it over here. So all these functions work for group chats and DMs. Just to show the other tabs: summary, actions, decisions, digest, planner. The planner can be used to create schedules. Schedule a meeting. So the meeting was created, and it appears here. You can mark it as done, and it'll appear in the plan history. Um, for participants, by default I set it to 60, but it could be changed. You could delete it also, but I just want to show that it also appears on the planner, so it also shows for other users. I also want to show the schedule and conflict, so just for simplicity's sake, because I didn't update the role of the designer, so it won't read it. But it does work. But I just have to update the roles. So there's a scheduling conflict. It will not show up. It will be marked as failed. Please choose a different time. So at the earliest available time, which is tomorrow at 9 a.m., this 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 planner looks at everyone's schedules and makes sure that nothing will overlap. So when you can run commands like make sure schedule a meeting for everyone at the earliest available time. Obviously, starting at 9, this could be changed too. Just want to show some more DM focused. So I want to show the translation feature. So I don't know much Spanish, so I'll just write something simple. I have to fix some of the understanding. Okay, I forgot to add to English. Okay, but you could also want to show the sending capabilities. As you can see, it's sent, so that works. There might need to be some refining with some of these commands. But I also want to show how the Actions tab takes the entire conversation, and you could mark it as done, and then it'll be hidden. You could also show it. You could reload it. You could pin messages. So if you reload it, it stays there. As you can see, persistence remains from the Ask tab, chat history, and the actions. The summary will be generated whenever the user wants. Decisions, same thing, you could pin. Again, I need to refine how it's being displayed, but for the most part, it works. The pin messages go to the top. And the digest can display all the messages the user received within a chat, but also on a global scale. So it will take all the new conversations from all the chats. The unnamed conversation is a group chat.